well, welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber, coach, and course creator. Today we're going to be talking about how to manifest your SP overnight. But before we get into it, you are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel, I talk about all things law of assumption. So if that sounds good to you, I would absolutely love to have you here. If you are currently manifesting your SP, you're on this video, I highly recommend for you to check out my Manifest Your SP course. This course dives deep into how to manifest step by step in chronological order. These are all of the steps that I took to manifest on my own SP successfully. I give you guys all of the support needed. You have about 90 minutes of video per module, which is about 15 hours of content that is sourced. It's a lecture. Consider yourself going to university, but you're learning about things that actually matter. You're getting your life snatched. We have PowerPoint presentations, homework, and a list of weekly affirmations that are super powerful. This course has manifested so many SPs into my students' lives, and I highly recommend it for you because I know just how much of a life changer it is for my clients, and I really want that for you as well. So to enroll, simply click on the third link in the description box down below. It should say Manifest Your SP course, or just go on ritakaminski.com/courses. I will also provide a link in the card up above. This will take you directly to the cart. Take a look at the frequently asked questions, have a read of the module breakdown, the testimonials. I will also throw in a free It's Already Done notebook with a channeled message on the very first page and signed, sealed, delivered by yours truly. Don't tell the others because it's not on my cart, but if you pay in full, I will have that sent to you. Finally, I intend for this video to change your life for the absolute best, and with that, let's get into it. First of all, let's get one thing straight. Let's first decide that we can manifest our SP overnight. It is very beneficial for you to believe that it is possible for you. I know that your situation is special and unique, and I can't hear all of your specific circumstances, but trust me, I've heard it all. And no matter what the situation or the circumstance is, if they live overseas, if you've fought for 10 years every single day, if they've cheated, we can revise that. Hurt you, we can revise that. We can reshape and remold this person and this situation with the power of a law of assumption. And we can do this overnight to where you'll wake up the next morning and they'll be at your door. People have manifested many more things. I remember one of my subscribers told me, if you can manifest 100,000 subscribers, which I successfully did, Rita, then I can manifest one specific person. So that just puts it into perspective. Take a look at all of the success stories of people manifesting crazy things. And I know that you may think, yeah, but it's them, it's not me, and I am not able to manifest, nothing has worked for me so far. Who cares? Forget about that. Forget about the BS. You're here now, and I'm telling you, you can manifest anything that you want without having to learn anything else. It is possible for you. I also used to think that I was not going to be able to manifest anything in my life. After 16 years of working so hard on YouTube, I manifested YouTube fame through the power of law of assumption and believing that it was possible for myself. It is possible, it is possible, it is possible. Not only is it possible, it is inevitable for you because you clicked on this video. This is the thing, law of assumption does not discriminate. It simply just gives. It gives what you tell it to give. So if you say something in confidence and you believe it, it will come instantly. If you can't believe in yourself, believe in law of assumption. See it as law of gravity. It's a law. It doesn't have a brain. It doesn't discriminate one person falling off a building and the other one not falling off a building. It doesn't matter the circumstance. It doesn't matter how it happens. Two people are going to fall. The law of assumption doesn't choose favorites, and it doesn't choose the circumstances. If something falls, it will fall to the ground. The ground is gravitating that falling object to it. There are no exceptions. That is the law of gravity. The law of assumption is whatever you think is real in your reality is real in your reality. So think that you can manifest this SP overnight, no matter your circumstances or their circumstances, your history with them in the past, how you look like, if they even know who you are, if the most damaging things happened with y'all, no matter if he is married or has children, it doesn't matter. I just want to put a disclaimer out there that I do not condone breaking marriages apart. I am so for manifesting morally. So really just think about it. That's on you. I'm here to teach law of assumption. Anything is possible. Law of assumption does not discriminate or say this is morally wrong. I'm saying that to you as a coach. When we believe that it is possible for us, the next step is to pull out all of the stops. I'm really channeling certain people that are watching my videos, like I'm seeing it as a vision, and I'm really feeling your energy, and I can feel the desperation and you not feeling like it's possible for you. So I'm trying to talk in a way where it not only resonates, but you can feel like it is possible for you, because it truly, really is possible for you. No matter what happened in the past, no matter your circumstances, I cannot stress that enough. So we're not doing this because we have to do it, but because I want this for you guys, and we gotta work with ourselves here. If we feel like we're doing everything in our power to manifest something, it will come as well. So we always have to do whatever it takes to get this manifestation. Truly. You doing whatever it takes and being disciplined, hand in hand with you believing that it's possible for you, you're unstoppable. You are unstoppable right now. I don't care if it's midnight for you right now and you want this person in 4 hours. I don't care if it's 5 p.m. and you're watching this video, or in the morning and you want this SP overnight. We're pulling out all the stops right now. So I want you to listen to SP subliminals starting from now until the next morning. Put them on loop. You can put calming subliminals on. I will put my subliminal up in the card above. Just right click loop. It's 3 minutes, but when you loop it, all of the affirmations are fully there and they will continue to loop and loop over and over and over again. From now until this morning, I want you to listen to SP subliminals. Put on your AirPods or your noise cancelling headphones. Next, I want you to quantum jump with me in the reality where your SP has contacted you or is at your door. Let's say they contact you via text. We want to work with ourselves through the path of least resistance, and in our minds, that is probably the most tangible idea. So we want to be clear on what we are quantum jumping into. Right now, as we're listening to these SP subliminals, we're going to step into the reality where you are going to get a text message from them. You don't have to visualize it. You don't have to do anything, but know that just as true as it is that I live in insert area here, it is true that my SP, say their name, is going to text me in the morning. When we do this, we're going to take a step forward, and the second that our foot hits the ground, it's going to manifest into reality. We will quantum jump into a new parallel reality where everything is the same except for the fact that your SP is going to text you by the following morning. Let's do this on 3. Because you can't see my foot, I'm gonna clap. When I clap, my foot has stepped on ground, and the second that my skin hits that barrier, we are in the reality where our SP texts us the following morning. So I'm gonna say 3, and when I say 3, when I say th is exactly what I'm gonna step. So say this with me right now. The second my foot hits the floor, insert name here will contact me the following morning. And on the count of 3, 1, 2, 3. We have now leaped into the reality where they will contact you the following morning. Congratulations. We have 3 more things to do. I told you we are pulling out all of the stops here, okay? The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to close our eyes and visualize yourself taking your phone out. Don't panic if you can't visualize. You can skip this step. But before you do, imagine how a lemon tastes like. Imagine how your mom looks like. You can imagine that, right? Try to do this with me, okay? Close your eyes, take your phone out, unlock it. The second you unlock it, you see a message from your SP. What does it say? What do you feel now that they've texted you? That feels amazing. That is a fact in your reality. It already has been a fact because you're in the new reality. We're just prepping ourselves up. We're just getting excited. That is exactly what's going to happen, and that's exactly what they're going to text you the following morning. The next thing that I want you to do is, from now until you go to sleep, I want you to robotically affirm the following. Insert your SP's name here is going to text me in the morning. Robotically affirm that whenever you are walking back home from work, or you're eating, or you're doing anything that doesn't include you using your brain, like talking to someone or making decisions. Maybe you're a rocket scientist. I don't want you to robotically affirm while you're doing that either. And I just want to note that we are still listening to our SP subliminals all the way up until the following morning. The final thing that I want you to do is, when you go to sleep, I want you to do that. So when you put your head on the pillow, you are either visualizing just an image, you don't have to loop it, you don't have to loop a scene, we're making it as simple as possible for ourselves. Your phone, his notification that he's texted you, his name, the message. Right? This is so exciting. Or if you want to affirm, it's just as effective. So we're going to affirm the same thing until we fall asleep. If you can't fall asleep, just keep going. You will fall asleep. We're simply affirming the exact same thing that we were throughout the day. My SP will text me in the morning, right? Let me know in the comments down below how you went. Take a read of the comments for inspiration as well. Do yourself a favor, just do all of these steps. I trust that this video gave you the guidance that you needed. Congratulations on them contacting you, manifesting your SP overnight. Don't forget to hit that push notification bell to see videos like this every single day. Of course, don't forget to subscribe and like this video, share it with someone who needs it, or multiple someones. And again, don't forget to check out the Manifest Your SP course on ritakaminski.com/courses. I hope you have an absolute fabulous day. I love you all so much. Bye.